Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Jane Bibayokot, and today I am going to do the challenge of SK Dao, which is making a dish garden. And today here you can see a lot of materials I am going to do for the challenge. So we have here some plants. These are cactus and succulents. I have been growing them since 2018 and look, they've grown very healthy. I have also here a paint. The color is caramel brown so that it would look like a clay pot. And then I also have some Bermuda cuttings, some soil, marine plyboard cutting, and some used bottles, some used paint pails, and the dish that I will be using is made from a broken planggana. So instead of throwing it, I will be using it, because we should not throw plastics. We should recycle them if we love our ecosystem. And then I also have here a broken toy of my daughter. So instead of throwing it, I will still be using it. I also have these stones. I bought this for about 50 pesos. Okay, then I'll also be using hanging plants. Alright, and then some bits of tiles which I get from our backyard. I will be using it, and then some tiny sansevieria, so I will also be using it, and then a paintbrush. This is a used paintbrush. The materials are already ready. I am ready myself. So are you ready? Okay, then let us start.
Twelve seconds later.
Wow, nice new garden.
Do you like it?
Yes.
I made it. So it's the finished product of what I did earlier. It's a good thing that you are going to also do like this in your home, because it's one way of managing your stress. Most of this time that most of this time that we are on the quarantine, there are many things you can do. One of which is dish gardening. Goodbye. What will you say? Goodbye.